Welcome to our new session. In this session, I'm going to talk about how to use your board or whiteboard. If you use an online board, it doesn't really matter. Today, we are going to talk about who can use it, how we can use it, and what should be there. Let's get started. As your students might not know you need to write your name on the right or on the left-hand side, and preferably up, so that you could divide your board in a good way. Then divide your board in such a logical way that you have some particular chunks of information divided and easily digested. So that, for example, then if you work in the online classroom, you could take a print screen and or maybe your students would like to take a print screen, and then they will easily digest and brush up on this information that you will write. And overall, it's really important to keep it neat and simple, so that then later on, when they get back to the same notes, they can easily understand what you were talking about. Another thing, what should take place and what should be on the board is the topic. Make sure that you mention the topic, preferably up or in the middle. Make sure you have some particular part for error correction, and it should be preferably in different color. And in general, your board should be divided into 3, max 4 different parts, not to overwhelm your students. And now I would like to find out how you use your board. Which information do you usually write there, and how do you usually divide your board? See you in the new session.